Hey guys and girls, Merry Christmas to everyone. So thank you for joining this channel CyruZ, and today I will also open the kits related to the Christmas, which is the Tallgeese tree, and this kit appeared in Gundam Wing and Swan, the movie, and if you haven't seen my previous kit review, which is the Gundam Wing Zero Custom, and you can look at on my previous video before that. And today I would like to show this Tallgeese tree, which is a titanium version. So you can see that overall this kit is quite awesome, and it's very glossy, and for real, actually I never thought titanium is this when I first look at the titanium. My first thought is it should be look like more on a metallic version, but frankly say, when I come into this unboxing, I noticed that this titanium is more like a very high gloss paint. But if you notice that the line here, still there is some certain like metallic effect. So this kit I did not do any panel lining because it's already, the silver color, it seems like already do help me to show all those lines out. So I think I did not really do any touch up on the panel line for this kit. But definitely there's pros and cons. This kit is a bit pricey because of the titanium version, because it's a special coating, and it looks glossy. But one thing I think which is very bad is same like the metallic version kit, where it shows quite a lot of Nubmarks here. It's quite obvious here because, yeah, on the hand side, yeah, some of the part quite obvious because the way the runner being shown, the way of the runner being set up. So it's not those under gate runner. Then I think so far when I built the leg, it's feel very comfortable and nice until when the time I built the hand part, the shoulder and the arm here, the Nubmark is very obvious. So if you are those professionals who cannot stand with the Nubmarks, so I really advise you just get the normal Pbandai version of this Tallgeese tree instead. And yeah, but overall it's a wonderful build, it's a wonderful experience, except some of the parts is a bit tight. So actually I accidentally spoiled the leg, so actually the leg is already broken. I just use the metal rod to attach back. So basically this leg now is not movable, it's a set story, but nevertheless other things is still okay. Yeah, and I think this is a very good kit. And in addition of this, since if you remember last year on the Wing Zero Custom review, actually the head I already lost the mask, and now here I got back a new head. So this head actually is done by Kaiei 3D. Yeah, my brother did this, but sadly also because during the coloring side, after done the coloring, I'm not sure when my fin have been broken. Yeah, but still this kit, the head of this look more like enhanced version of the existing Wing Gundam Zero Custom. So if you would like to interested on seeing the video or also things that sell by Kaiei 3D, yeah, you can see on the link below. Yeah, they also open a shop that's selling the custom 3D, also some of the existing 3D products. Yeah, so if you see here, yeah, this is the original. Yeah, I also managed to get one buy one back the mask. Yeah, it's, even though it's not the pearl color, but yeah, I just buy back and then use the pearl color paint to try to make it more like pearl also. Yeah, it does the jobs, even though because the head, but from certain range you actually it's not that obvious. still okay. So now actually I have 2 heads for this kit. Then I believe that for the pearl color version, definitely is more, the color is more dim. If you see the compared to the titanium is glossy and shiny, and the pearl version is quite dim. So it's really actually up to taste of the builder and the collectors what they want. This Tallgeese 3 did come with some leftover. Actually, you see this part, certain part, and also this one. This is the Tallgeese shield, but it's not complete, so you cannot do anything. Just use it as spare part or what. Most of the part are from a Tallgeese existing runner, so they just create few more new runners to build this Tallgeese 3, because the base is still Tallgeese 1, and it come also with this the Z's, the driver, the pilot of the Tallgeese. Pin it. At the end, I would like to thank everybody to subscribe my channel, and also view on my kits, and also some of the video I have made. So hopefully next year 2023 I will continue to do more kits. Definitely it will be harder for me because of my work, but let's see how. I believe that things will continue to move on, and I really thank you everyone to all the support, and also the things that you have been helping me, encouraging me throughout this year. So thank you again. See you all next year. Bye.